Let's consider this example. What you can see here is we have a binomial expression which has two terms, the x and the plus 3. And here we also have a binomial expression, and it too has two terms, the x and the plus 4. Now we would normally expand the brackets here using the FOIL method, as the examples I've already covered in this playlist. But in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative way to expand the brackets and find what is, in effect, the product of two binomial expressions. So let's go to the next slide, and we can see here we have the two binomial expressions. And the first thing I'm going to say is that this x is going to multiply this binomial expression here. And I can write that out as shown here, with the x followed by the bracket to be multiplied. I then turn my attention to this term, and it is going to multiply this binomial expression, and I can show that as shown here, the plus 3, and then the binomial in the brackets. We then turn our attention to this x, and we get it to multiply this x here to give us x squared. We then take this x to multiply the plus 4, and that will give us plus 4x. We then turn our attention to the plus 3, and it is used to multiply the x, which will give us plus 3x. Then the plus 3 will multiply the plus 4, and this will give us plus 12. Then we consider the like terms, and when you have plus 4x and plus 3x, that will give you plus 7x. And then you bring the x squared and the plus 12 down. So this is the product of these two binomial expressions.